Hey mate.
Hey bro, what's up?
Hey bro, what's up bro? Hey guys, how are you doing today?
We're fine, we're doing great.
Do you think your PC could use a little speed boost?
Absolutely, my PC takes ages to start up.
Yeah, mine struggles when I have multiple tabs open.
Well, I've been digging into some cool tricks to optimize our PCs. I think I got some great things to share. Okay, first things first, we need to clean up our desktop and uninstall any programs we don't need. They could be slowing us down.
Makes sense, I have tons of icons cluttering my desktop.
Yeah, I have a bunch of old apps I don't use anymore.
Don't forget to update your software and drivers regularly. Outdated versions can really slow things down.
I always ignore those update notifications. I'll start paying attention now.
Also, running regular disk cleanup and defragmentation can make a huge difference.
Sometimes, it is not just about software. Upgrading RAM or switching hard drives can significantly speed up your system.
How do we know if our PC needs more RAM?
Well, if you often run out of memory while using multiple applications or notice your PC getting sluggish, it might be time for an upgrade.
So, we've got a plan now. Let's clean up our desktops, update our software, and consider hardware upgrade if needed.
This was super helpful. I'm excited to see the difference it makes.
Thanks for the tips, guys. I'm ready to utilize my PC.